Hey guys, welcome to my channel Wiseman, and today we will see how to link your mobile phone to Windows. We are going to see that how can you link your mobile phone to your laptop, or let's say to your PC. So you can click on this and click on this allow to scan the QR code that you will get when you open a link which is shown over here, www.aka.ms/link phone. Right, so try to search that in Google, the same link. It's www.aka.ms then slash and link phone. So click on open your phone. So if you have downloaded a software in your PC which is link my phone, you will get that software open. Now over here you can see some options are there which are such as notification, messages, photos, calls. So if you are going to link your phone, you will get all that notification, or you can see your mobile phone in the Windows. So let's quickly do that thing. How can we link your mobile phone? So for that, so as there was no QR code option, what I will do, I will just try another way. So I can use now this sign in with Microsoft. So I will try to sign in with my Microsoft account to link it. So now what I am doing, I am first signing in my Microsoft account. So as per your Microsoft account details, put that details in this sign in. So now as you can see, after signing up, yeah, they are asking some permission. You can provide some permission after reading it. And now you can see this link the PC, and over here also you will see that this notification has come up that the mobile phone is asking for linking. So click on yes, link this PC, and whatever code you are seeing in your mobile phone 6 over here, that you will click on your PC. Click on continue. If the match of code is correct, it will quickly connect your mobile phone to the Windows. Be sure over here you have to open link to Windows application or link to Windows setting in your mobile phone, otherwise it's not able to connect. So you have to open this link to Windows mobile phone application in your mobile phone. From there you have to log into your Windows account and then click on this link to Windows application. Be sure at the same time this link to Windows should be open in your mobile phone. And now it will take everything. See, now my mobile screen is screencasted on Windows. So that's awesome, and now you can control your mobile phone from the PC. So I'm using my the mouse of my laptop to control my mobile phone. So this is awesome. You can see, let's say, some like videos that can be open in your mobile phone, and you can view that in laptop in a bigger screen. You can play games also. So that's awesome for this. If you like this video, hit a like button and subscribe my channel Wiseman for more such videos. Thank you.